Welcome to Kids Family. Today we learn 10 vegetables name. B for brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. C. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. R. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. C. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. S. Spanish. S-P-A-N-I-S-H. Spanish. T. Turnip. T-U-R-N-I-P. Turnip. L. Ladyfinger. L-A-D-Y-F-I-N-G-E-R. Ladyfinger. O. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. T. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. P. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Hope so you like my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.